Hey guys, in this episode I'm going to be replacing the rickety, outdated old porch on the houseboat with a fresh, updated aluminum design that will look amazing going down the lake this spring. Please click like and subscribe. As many of you know, custom boat accessories can be very expensive, but I've purchased this pergola kit from Walmart that is almost all aluminum, and although it isn't exactly the dimensions I need, I only have to make minor alterations to achieve a custom fit. I have really lucked out on this project as the pieces for the new porch fit perfectly into the mounting hardware from the old porch. I'd been waiting for the perfect day to show you all what I had decided to use for the roof of the new porch, and the perfect day is not going to come along. It has rained non-stop for months now, so I decided to use, I was trying to think of what kind of materials are traditionally used on boats now, and you know, something that I could use for the roof. I had some problems with the roof, and especially in transport, the roof would want to blow off with the whole porch and everything going down the highway. So I decided I would use vinyl. You know, that's something that is normally used on boats and houseboats now. So I ordered a heavy-duty custom cut vinyl tarp, and I'm using that as the cover for the new porch roof. And I tried some other things too that I didn't like, but what I like about this is going down the highway, I can unhook this vinyl and roll it up, and the wind going down the road won't try to rip my porch roof off, which was kind of a major problem. So that solved that. And one of the things I don't like about it is it holds water if it rains. And sometimes if the wind is really bad and it's and I've got it attached, then the wind will rip it, you know, rip it back from the Velcro. Other than that, it's going to provide a shade, and it looks really nice, and I think it suits the boat. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I want to thank all of my subscribers and all of my viewers. If you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell to be notified every time we do a new video. Subscribing to this channel is absolutely free, and it encourages us to make more videos and promotes us in the YouTube community.
You guys are great!